What? You have still not created a website for your business or for yourself? And the reason that you give is that you don't know how to code or you don't have enough money? Do you know a website is a must have for a freelancer? Clients trust you more if you have a portfolio website showcasing all your skills and past projects. If you are a business owner and you are still hiring developer, design and manage your website for your business, then you have landed at the right place. I'll tell you a AI that could make website for you totally free with just few clicks. To make this video, I have tried out hundreds of AI that are present in the market and they all are paid when it comes to website development. Either you have to buy their monthly or yearly subscription to make your website live. I have come up with secret AI that could really do all your stuff and for totally free. For this video, I'll be using an AI tool, GetResponse. Let's try this cool AI tool to make a website totally free. I'm taking an example for a website for a developer, but you can build any kind of website with this tool. It's really very user friendly and can customize to suit your needs. So let's start this website building journey with AI to bring your online vision to life and completely free of charge. So we'll go to Get Response website, and if you don't have an account, then click on sign up and fill all your details and click on create account. I already have an account. I'll go to login and log in with my credentials. On the hamburger menu of tools, click on website builder, click on create website, and we'll use AI powered website builder. Write down the business type that you have. I'll choose web design and development. And now you can choose the kind of website that you want to build. There are multiple options that you can see. I'll choose the portfolio one. Then tell us about your business. Click on next step. Now you can add all the features that you want AI to build. So I'll unselect video. Now you can select a color theme for your website. If you want to import this theme from an existing website, you can type in the URL and click on go. And then we'll hit next, click on skip. And then your website is getting ready. Just sit back and relax. AI is doing its magic to develop your website. So these are the three themes that AI has built for you. We'll test out each of them and choose the best one. So let's go to the second one. We'll click on full website view. See how beautiful website is built. The images all related to our website development courses. Such a nice, see how beautiful it has been designed. You have not coded anything. You have not written a single line of code. Let's check out the third website that it has built. This is quite classy. There are not any cheesy things there. It's quite simple. Now let's check out the first one. This is again very dynamic. You can see how the images are there. Such mesmerizing images. We have not done anything. Okay. Let's choose the second one. I like that. We'll use this design and let's wait. AI is doing its magic. Now your website is there. You can do anything from this website. You can change any text. See how does it look on a mobile phone screen? This is quite nice. It takes a hell lot of time to develop a mobile website. I'm telling you with an experience. It's not that easy. You can see how easily it has done it. These are social media icons. Everything is there. Hamburger menu. Now let's take it live. We'll click on connect domain and you can write down the subdomain that you want. I'll choose web dev over here and click on publish. Your website is live. You have not done anything. You have not paid anything. And I can tell you with my experience, no AI is free right now. Now this is how your website looks and it can be viewed on mobile devices anywhere. You can give this links to your friends, family. They can view your website. Let's edit it now. See, you can make any changes over here. See for this logo, Suppose I want to add my image over here. I'll click on replace icon and then upload this image from my laptop, and I'll upload my profile pic. Click on add, and yes, see the image is there. You can make any changes to this image. You can change the height and width. You can change its alignments. And if you go to block settings, there are multiple others. Now you will change the text over here. We'll click on transform your business online presence. Make the text a little smaller. And now these are the sections that you can add. You can add start menu, text, button, and these are the advanced one. These are paid. I don't want you to use these buttons. This will unnecessarily add cost. Now let's try remove this image from background. I don't want to upload it. I'll just search it over here. Just see, I'm just searching internet, and now I'm using a free image over here. I'll just click on it. Yes. See this. The image is there. We have not uploaded anything, and there are ample amount of images there, and you can change all of them. See the power of AI. Now let's add another page, and let's add a pricing section. I want to show how much I'll cost to my clients. I like the first template. We'll click on this, and let's name this page as pricing. And you can see one thing, this page is automatically added in your menu section. You have not done anything. Now let's add service section. This product, we'll just go to services. There's only one template. I'll click on this. Just name this page as not services. Let's make it offerings. Okay. And click on add page. Page is added. You can add privacy policies, terms of use, FAQs. FAQ is very important. I'll just click on this and add FAQ. And you can also see all these pages are added into your menu also. This is nice and easy. Now you can switch pages and make changes into your page. Let's go to pricing page. Onto this call to action button. If my client clicks on this page, I want to open my WhatsApp. So I'll give a link to my WhatsApp. It's very simple to do it. You can Google it or comment below. I'll write down how I have done it. Let's change the text of this button to buy now. You can change the size of your buttons. You can change the alignment, paddings. Now let's change the offerings that I'm going to give with this plus plan. Okay. We'll just remove it and write down website development. You can add it yourself, whatever you want to give, feel that you are building it. Okay. Let's head on to offering section. In this, you can write down the offering that you are going to give. I'll write down website development for the first service, and for the second service, I'll write down video editing. This is also one of my forte. I'll remove the additional text, and let's change this image to video editing, something related to that. We'll click on replace. I'll not upload anything. I'll just search for it. Okay. Video editing. Video looks good. I'll just search for video and then click on free images. Okay. This is free, and just change its size. Now it fits in. Okay. Now let's change the behavior of this call to action button. I want to download a brochure when someone clicks on this button. So we'll change the text over here to download brochure. Okay. And for the link type, I'll change it as document. And for the document, I'll upload from my computer. I've uploaded the document, and now if someone clicks on it, our document will be downloaded. So these are the social media icons And you can write in the URLs for your own social media. You can add in new, like the LinkedIn, and there are plethora of things like. So let's head on to contact us page. And in this contact us page, there are too many images that's making it not look good. I'll remove all of them now. Okay, now this is looking quite clean. Okay, this is nice. See how the black color is coming out. We'll go to this contact us page and refresh this page. And let's try whether it's working or not. I'll write down my name, elevate my skill, my email ID. All the verification and validations are there. You cannot write a dummy email ID or a wrong email ID. You have to write down a correct mobile number with the correct country code, then only it will accept it. And then you have to write down a message. Okay, let's write it down as this website is awesome. Thanks. Click on send, and this message is sent. Now to see that message, let's head on to our dashboard and refresh this page. Click on read new message. You can see the messages there. This website is awesome. Now you can reply to this message and the reply will go to their email. You have not done any coding and this is live. This takes a hell lot of time. And these are the analytics. These are the 4 page views, traffic over time. You can see the devices, location, click tracking, forums, anything, whatnot. Everything is there. This takes a lot of time. Let's go to pricing section. Click on buy now. And you can see your WhatsApp link is open over here and a text message as I'm interested in your plus plan. Now, if you're not happy with a domain like the webdev.get response something, click on add new website, buy a domain from GoDaddy, and then write down the domain over here and click on add. And it will guide you to update the DNS records of the name servers that are there. This is easy. If you want to buy it from here only, it costs. You have to upgrade your account now. Let's refresh this page. Now we'll test out one more feature of this, that is the chatting. Let's write down a message. Hi team, need your help with web development. This message will go to your dashboard. Let's see this message has come or not. Yeah, this message has come as a message from a visitor. Just reply to it, what help, and see this message is coming or not. Yes, the response is here. This is such an awesome, and trust me, this takes a lot of time. If we go to our offering section and click on this download brochure, yes, a brochure is downloaded. This is nice. And I have tested out a hell lot of AI tools to make this video, and this is the best. That's all from my side. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. I'll reply to all of them. If you liked our content, please like, share, and subscribe for more such videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.